Welcome to Paradise. And so says the sign as we're getting ready to walk into this incredible place. I can't tell you that I've ever actually been to a place like this before. I've been to different places where they've got, birds and what have you, but not of this nature, not of this feather, I should say, not of these birds of a feather. So we're just getting ready to take our tour, and I think the birds are just they're kind of anxious and waiting for us. They I don't know if they're going to give us stuff to feed them or not, but look at these birds just kind of hanging out here, literally, just waiting for us to start our tour. Isn't that something? Oh, this is going to be wonderful. This is going to be really, really something special.
So if you do have any questions or any dramas, please shout out and let me know. Just a couple things I'm going to retouch on. Any jewellery, please remove it. Our birds are excellent jewellery thieves, with Diego in particular. She's big before, and it takes her 2 seconds to rip out earrings. She has stolen about 5 of my earrings so far, and I've finally learnt my lesson to stop wearing them. Also, these caps, there is a button on the top of your cap there. I can guarantee it will not be there when you walk out. So if you really like that hat, please take it off. All our jumpers, all the zips and buttons and bits and bobs, the birds love chewing on those. So if you do not want your jacket damaged as well, please grab a feather duster and just wave that around, and that will deter them from ruining it. Same goes for shoes. If you have a pair of shoes that you really like and don't want damaged, please grab a feather duster. We do have a couple of cheeky galahs that do like to nibble on shoes, so just grab a feather duster if you want. We will just move through, just with COVID, please don't touch the floors. It's not just health and safety, it's for the health of yourself as well. I will also have to close up the curtains every now and then to stop a couple of birds trying to escape through, so just bear with me while I get them. If you all just grab your tickets out just to show off that time for me, and I can double check that as you come through.
Alright, so when you come in, first thing you see here, you bring yourself a little duster, I guess. I could have used one of these to keep Fruit and Loop off of my biscotti.
Alright guys, so just come on through this door for me.
Here we go. Wow. Look at this. This is cool. Boy, this will make for a wonderful video. Now it's feeding time here. Look at this.
Yeah, so originally he was in my Maleny group. Unfortunately, he got picked on by some pigeons to the point where, he's really got that.
Various types of pigeons.
So he does have a permanent infield, because we've moved him into here so he can have a...
Boy, very, very nice. Really something special. These are all pigeons, I'm imagining. Now here's a nice shot. Look at that. you go. Just beautiful.
Alright guys, so we'll move through to our next aviary. This is where it gets more interesting.
Boy, was that nice or what? Now we're going into the next aviary here. Well, you know, if you got to go to work every day, this is not a bad place to go to work. Oh, now here they come. They're gonna land on us, I think. This is the spot where we might see birds coming down and landing on us, such as this woman has this bird on her. Look at that. Wow. Oh, now I've got one on me. Okay. Uh-oh. I've got one on me now. All right, look, I found a friend. Oh, at least somebody likes me, right? Look at this bird. Oh, he's going after my buttons, you see? He wants my buttons. That's what he wants. He's not as much my friend as much a friend of my buttons. But what a cool place this is. Oh no. Now I've got another one on me. Oh no. I feel like I'm in Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds, you see? Oh, goodness gracious. It's like I'm in Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds, walking around here with these birds on me. This is just really, this is cool. This is probably one of the cooler experiences that I've had here in Australia. It really is. It really is something else. Wow, this is cool. All right. Oh goodness! Every now and then, something will startle these birds. There was just a little bit of a loud boom, and all these birds just started flying off in every direction. Look at this. Wow. You can see all those birds up there. Really something else. This really is quite the experience. And these birds, they just come down and they'll land on you like this gentleman here. He's got oh, now I've got another bird on me. Oh goodness gracious. Look at this gentleman. He's got the birds. He's the bird man, you see? There you have the bird man of Maleny right there. Oh goodness gracious. Well, they're beautiful. Really beautiful birds. Look at that. Fantastic. And I can turn my camera around here. Uh-oh. All right. So I think we're gonna go and visit another spot here as well. Alright, so we found our way into this aviary.
And we do have one exception. This is Lala. Lala is a scarlet macaw and she's only in here temporarily. So we will release her over into our main aviary once she has acquainted herself to all the other macaws. Cheeky girl, can you stop? What did you mean? You do, beautiful girl.
Really beautiful. Wow. Look at, oh, these. Oh, I would. Yeah? All right. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. No. Other end, Lila. You got to turn around. So there. Oh, this is fantastic. This really is cool. You know? Oh my goodness gracious. This is just way too cool. Oh, there's no shortage of these.
I have a call.
Oh, goodness gracious. This is cool. This is really, really cool. Oh, goodness. Fantastic. Really, really something else. Alright, another share. Something spooked them. And they're all flying around. Look at this little one. This one's not scared. Just wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Really a special place. Oh, and how could I not forget the peacocks? Look at these. What would a bird world be without peacocks? Look at this. Beautiful birds. Wow. Look at that. It's really a beautiful, beautiful bird. Boy, that's special. Look at that. Okay. There he goes down onto the ground. I'll try to get the bird's eye view.
Can live to about 60 years of age.
Where you going? There you go.
Heavy,
Now there's your photo
you?
opportunity
You
of
are
the day.
very heavy.
You see, there's your photo op of the day right there. All right. Big smile. All right. That's a nice picture. Big smile. There you go. All right. Boy, these birds sure are friendly. I got to tell you that. They really are friendly critters. Look at the little one. All right, now we're going into the fourth aviary, and as I had asked why they had 4 of them as opposed to 1. Oh boy, that didn't take long for me to have one come land on my head. But so this is the final aviary here, and oh goodness gracious, I've got one on my head. All right, this one here, this is the one that this is the guy that came and landed on my head, and oh boy, these little dusters, they come in handy. You know, he wants my button is what he wants. He wants my button. Oh, goodness gracious. This is great. This really is good. Here is some real pretty birds here. Look at that. Thought I was going to get a good shot for you. But, look at this one. Look at this beautiful bird. They're looking at me. Beautiful. Not quite sure what to make of the camera. Doesn't like that. Doesn't like that at all. Now look at this one down here, if I can share it with you. Wow. Look at this bird. That's an interesting bird. I don't know what kind of bird that is. There it goes. Look at that. That's beautiful. All right. Well, really something else. Here's this one. Alright, enough of the aviary. Oh, goodness gracious. This is something else. Look at that. Alright. See if I can't get one on my head. Alright. Look at that. Wow. Ow. You know, it hurts. It hurts a little bit, but it's all in good. It's all in good fun. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I think I've got another one. Alright. Have a, I gotta, ow.
Got it, Jess.
There you go. Oh, ow, there. Alright. There you go. That's too, oh, goodness gracious. Uh-oh, this one's back for the button, I think. Alright. Let's go see the botanical garden.
You see anything?